Imagine waking up to soothing sounds of waves and stunning views of the Gulf of Mexico right from your bedroom. Welcome to Surfside Condos 204 in Clearwater Beach, the luxury beachfront getaway you've been dreaming of. Let's take a tour. Hello beach lovers. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now for more exciting videos of beautiful vacation rentals. Let's dive right into a property that's sure to captivate you. Introducing Surfside Condos 204, your luxury getaway in the heart of Clearwater Beach. This stunning 1,580 square foot beachfront condo offers spectacular views of the Gulf of Mexico. With 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and sleeping arrangements for 10 guests, it's the perfect spot for large families or groups. Whip up a gourmet meal in this fully equipped kitchen featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and everything you need to feel right at home. Relax in this spacious living area or enjoy your meals at the 6-seater dining table or at the kitchen counter with additional bar stool seating. Each bedroom has been designed for optimal comfort with flat screen TVs in every room. The Master Suite even features a private balcony where you can wake up to awe-inspiring beachfront views. Luxury doesn't end indoors. The condo offers a heated pool, grill area for cookouts, central air conditioning, parking, and a washer and dryer in the unit. So there you have it, Surfside Condos 204, your perfect beachfront escape in Clearwater Beach. Don't wait, book your next stay using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for more virtual tours and the best vacation rentals. Until next time, happy vacationing.